Are your plants not growing the way you thought they would? Does your raised bed look full but still feel empty? You are not alone. So many beginners make the same small mistakes that stop their garden before it even starts. In this video, I am going to walk you 7 raised bed garden mistakes that many people make, and more importantly, how you can fix them. Let us make sure your hard work turns into fresh vegetables, not just frustration. Mistake number 1, using the wrong soil mix. If you filled your raised bed with soil from your backyard, that could be the problem. Regular ground soil is too heavy and does not drain well in raised beds. What you want is a mix of compost, peat moss, and either vermiculite or perlite. This mix keeps the soil light and helps your plants grow healthy roots. A good soil mix gives your garden the strong start it needs. And once you get the soil right, everything else becomes easier. Mistake number 2, poor bed placement. You might not think about it at first, but where you place your raised bed makes a big difference. If it does not get at least 6 hours of sunlight every day, your plants will struggle. And if your bed is too far from your water hose or tap, you will get tired of watering it. Choose a sunny spot that is easy to reach. It will save you time and give your plants what they need. This next mistake is one that even people with years of gardening forget, and it can turn your beautiful raised bed into a weed-filled mess if you do not catch it early. Let me explain what it is and how to stop it. Mistake number 3, no weed barrier. If you did not put a weed barrier at the bottom of your raised bed, weeds will grow from underneath and sneak into your soil. It makes things harder than they need to be. You can stop this by laying down cardboard, weed cloth, or even old newspaper before you add soil. This layer blocks the weeds, but still lets water drain. Trust me, it is much easier to do this now than fight weeds all season long. Mistake number 4, overcrowding plants. You want to grow as much as you can, right? But planting too close together causes problems. Your plants will fight for water, sunlight, and space. It also blocks airflow, which can lead to disease. Always check the spacing instructions on seed packs or plant tags. It might look empty at first, but once your plants grow, you will be glad you gave them room to breathe and stretch. Mistake number 5, wrong watering habits. Watering seems easy, but it trips up a lot of people. Too much water and your roots rot. Too little and your plants dry out. The trick is to check the soil with your finger. If the top inch is dry, it is time to water. And always water at the base, not from above. Raised beds drain faster than ground soil, so you might need to water more often than you think. Mistake number 6 is one you will not notice until your plants start dying or just stop growing. Most beginners never think about this one until it is too late. But if you get it right, your plants will thank you. Mistake number 6, ignoring bed depth. Raised beds that are too shallow can block your plants from growing deep roots. That means weak plants and smaller harvests. Most vegetables need at least 12 inches of soil. If you want to grow things like carrots or tomatoes, deeper is even better. When in doubt, go for more depth. It is easier to build it right the first time than fix it later when roots start getting cramped. Mistake number 7, forgetting crop rotation. Planting the same crop in the same spot every year can drain the soil and bring in pests. Rotate your crops by type each season. For example, do not grow tomatoes in the same spot every year. Give your soil a break and keep your garden strong by switching things up. Now you know what to avoid. You are already way ahead of where you were. Mistakes happen, but now you are ready to grow smarter. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join me every week as we grow together. Your raised bed garden is about to shine.